Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements in Oracle Cloud Technologies and Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. We are going to get a lot of requirements nowadays as a trained fresher as well as for experienced consultants. Many people are asking me if I am going to apply as a fresher, what are the things I am supposed to prepare? Because the companies are asking us, we are looking for trained freshers, and then what we are supposed to prepare for that. And of course, it is useful for the people who are expecting, as who are trying for as an experienced consultant also. So for this, I have decided to conduct one interaction on this Sunday, 22 October 2023, 9 AM IST. I'm going to give a WhatsApp group link in the description. And also I'm going to provide you the Google form, which will be used to fill your details. But WhatsApp group is fine. It's okay. You can go ahead to join in that group link. I'll share you the Zoom link also in the WhatsApp group. So once you join in the WhatsApp group, you can get the Zoom link. Okay. And you can connect on 22nd October 2023, 9 a.m. IST. So what I'm going to tell you on this particular interaction is, what are the things you are supposed to prepare when you are applying as a trained fresher? It means syllabus copy. And nowadays we know that the companies are expecting both the technical as well as functional. That's the reason I have started recently updating the SQL videos also. You can go for join. And in fact, I have prepared one video for SQL free training also. There is a WhatsApp group. You can join in that and get the SQL free training videos also here. Okay. So, what the companies are expecting is nowadays, in when you are working in the cloud project, you are supposed to do both functional as well as the technical work. So we need to spend some more hours. See, you got trained in functional, okay, and in this functional, you have learned global HR, options, payroll, and talent management modules end-to-end setups. You are clear with the FSM environment, security console, the access, all these things you are clear. Okay. But the companies are expecting as a fresher, you should be clear with the technical also. I can train you in technical or functional. That's it. So better to spend some time on the technical, because HCM technical is not that much complex when you learn the functional, right? Okay. So you can be a master in that area also. The only the thing is coding part you have to learn SQL it is. Okay. So that's what I'm going to explain in this particular interaction. Please connect with us through WhatsApp group link, whatever I'm providing in this video description. You can join in the WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing you the Zoom link as well as the other details in that WhatsApp group. Okay. And if you are applying as a experienced consultant also, it's not only for the trained fresher, experienced consultant also, you can join. It's not a problem. Always having more knowledge and interaction and communication will always make us positive mode, and be prepared and practice. It will make us very perfect. Okay. And especially people who are looking for an HCM fresher opportunities, join in this WhatsApp group, because whenever we get some requirement, some companies will be asking us, we are looking for trained freshers for so and so location with this so and so terms and conditions. That time again we have to call all the people and inform to them. This all it's taking time for even for our hours also. I request everyone please join, and in case if you are colleagues who has done in some other institution, or somebody might have prepared that through online, anywhere they might have done it from RTL, or they might have done it from some other institution, doesn't matter. It's like finally you are supposed to get the result job, right? So that's the reason I'm going to provide this, and join only human capital management functional consultants or technical consultant or fresher or experienced person join in this particular WhatsApp group link. Okay. Don't join finance people or supply chain management or Fusion Technical or OSCS or Oracle developer. Please do not join, because I'll prepare separate WhatsApp group for that in the next week. So you can join in that, because you be specific here, because in this group I'm going to share some more knowledge, either blogs or the documents or the interview point of view or job opportunities. We all will be discussing about this exclusively human capital management functional as well as the technical part for the HCM part. Okay, I request everyone, please, only HCM people will do it. For the finance next level it is. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time, and please subscribe for our RTL online trainings and placement if you are not done so far, and follow the SQL interview questions also. You can be, we are planning to go with 100 questions in SQL. One by one you can go through this it is. And if anyone is working in Oracle Cloud Technologies, please share our YouTube channel to others so that they can go for subscribe and get more knowledge about the cloud technologies. Thank you. Thanks for your time.